Hello everyone, welcome to Codynamics. In this video, we are going to see how to install the software Salome. So Salome is a software that can do geometry and meshing. This mesh can be used in standard softwares like ANSYS and OpenFOAM. So this geometry creation is based on the Open Cascade library. So this is also open source. You can see all the codes involved in Salome and all. If you are working in development, you can use this. If you are just wanting to use it for application, like you want to create a geometry, you want to mesh it and use the mesh in OpenFOAM instead of using ANSYS, you might be interested in using Salome. So in this video, we are going to see how to download and install Salome. And in the next video, I'll be explaining how to make a very basic mesh. Okay, to download the software, first you have to go to this website and I'll give this link in the description. You can go here and you can choose your OS. So for now, I am going to use Windows because this is the most popular OS that most of us will be using. Even if you are following my OpenFOAM tutorials, we will be using Windows OS and WSL for OpenFOAM. So most of us prefer to be on Windows. So this tutorial is going to be Windows. But if you are comfortable with Linux, then you can choose other OS and you can do it. Okay, now I am going to select Salome as product and the version is going to be latest version. So as of now, the release is 9.14.0. So I'm going to select that and OS is Windows 10 and I'm selecting that. Then they will be asking you certain details like what is the intended username, company name and all. But if you don't want to give any of those details, you can just uncheck the first box and check the second and third box, so you don't have to fill any of these. But if you are comfortable in sharing this information, you can share that. Then you have to click submit. Okay, then you will get this download page. First you have to click here to download, choose some location and click on download. But I have already downloaded the software for convenience, so let me go to that location and let's start installation. To start installing, just double click this. If you have any firewall on, you might want to take that down temporarily because if there is some firewall that is restricting this exe, then it will be a problem in installation. So just make sure that you are turning off the antivirus or firewall temporarily. Okay, then choose run anyway. Okay, I accept, next, next, and whatever location you want. So for me, the C drive has space, so I'll put C drive. Create a desktop shortcut, next, and then give install. So this will take a bit of time. I'll get back to you once this is over.
A few moments later.
Okay, now the installation is done. So all you have to do is click next and maybe you can keep on launch Salome, but I'll turn it off. Click finish. Let me go to the desktop. You would be icon. You can double click and you'll be able to launch Salome. For the first time alone, it will take a bit of time. So give it the time to load and all. It will ask for certain permissions. Click allow. Okay, then this is the software that you will be getting. And if you click this, you will be able to see a lot of modules. So for OpenFOAM in general, we will be interested in this geometry and mesh, sometimes even shaper, but mostly only these two. So in the next tutorial, I'll be explaining how to make a very simple cuboidal box and how to make an OpenFOAM case out of that, a lid driven cavity case. So make sure to watch that video. I'll give the link in the description and you will also be able to see that at the end card. So that's it for this video. See you in the next Salome tutorial video.